We're at Stone Lake in Cassopolis. Cassopolis, here is the old, here comes the old museum. The old museum is right here. That scared me. Okay, now here's the back. We gotta slow. The beach, the beach. I think we can park go up a little bit, and we're there.
I got you.
Alright, we are at the beach. We are at the twirl. We're not eating. We're just beaching. We're just beaching, baby. You can see it through the tree. Sinclair. Alright, we're going to the beachy. I'm not getting the kids. Okay, so here's the beautiful beach we're at. Look how pretty. Look at that big float out there. Ooh, look at the pier. Ooh, it's so nice. It's really nice. It's beautiful. Where are you going to sit? Going to sit in the sand? Let's go to the water. It's really beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Look at these cool swings. Swings you can sit at with your stuff.
Oh.
No, it's just like, yeah. I thought they had swings. But they have those little benches. Yeah, those are cool. Okay, we are at the beach. We're at the beach. Hi. We're having fun. Listening to some lady play the wheels on the bus. But it's really a beautiful day out here. We are out here in Cassopolis, Michigan on Stone Lake. And everybody's jumping off the pier over there. You got, just, it's gorgeous out. Look at it. Would you look at it?
Look at it?
Would you, and look at that beautiful house. I can't, God, I'm blind. That house. I can't, there it is, boop. Yeah, it's huge.